Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The Bitcoin dollar pair plummeted 1.9% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The last session saw the euro fall 0.3% against the dollar. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The pound-dollar pair dropped 0.8% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The Aussie dollar pair plummeted 1.1% in the last session. The CCI indicates an oversold market.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Tesla is set to hit another record quarter with its China sales, while it faces mounting pressure from local competitors such as BYD eating into its share in the world's largest auto market. Analysts say Europe is making a fresh push for a deal to create a single stream of trading data for all its stock markets, with some officials hoping that at least one major stumbling block could be overcome by keeping some of its most valuable information anonymous. Binance, the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange by trading volume, saw its market share continue to decrease in June as the US Securities and Exchange Commission sued the company and its founder, Changpeng Zhao.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The US gross domestic product annualized will be released at 12:30 GMT. Australia's retail sales at 01:30 GMT. The US gross domestic product index at 12:30 GMT. The Eurozone's business climate will be released at 0900 hours GMT. The Portuguese consumer confidence at 0830 GMT. Japan's Tokyo CPI at 2330 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.